Today I'm going to show you how to add an exclusive code into Impact Radius. The first thing you're going to do is toggle to the content and then the promo codes section of Impact Radius on the left hand side. So content, then promo codes. Once you're on this page, in the top right corner under Create Tracking Promo Code, click that and it will take you to the code. So because we're talking an exclusive code, traditionally that means that we're creating a code for a single affiliate partner. So what you'll do is under Media, look up, you'll find the partner that you're creating this code for. So in this test, I'm just going to tag it to the Today's Business account. Let's say the promo code is Today's Business 10. So we'll add whatever the promo code that was created in there. Under credit policy, if you're doing a true exclusive code, exclusive in the sense that you don't need a click to get credit for the sale, then you would toggle to this always credit option. And you can see in Impact they give you kind of this question mark for what the definition of each option is. So under always credit, it says the promo code always gets credit. So basically what that means is whether the affiliate partner drives the sale or drives the consumer and tells them to use this code, or you might have a random partner find the code and start promoting it, this partner, in this case Today's Business, would get credit anytime an order comes through that uses Today's Business 10. So it doesn't always require that affiliate partner to drive a click. Now, in another example, if you were to do credit if involved, that would mean that if Today's Business 10 is used and Today's Business drove a click at some point, then they would get credit. And then credit if winner is if Today's Business 10 is used and the last person in the click stream is Today's Business, then they would get credit. So that's just the three differentiations there. Under match type, you'll always want it to be exact. It basically means as long as they spell Today's Business 10 correctly, they'll get the credit. Comments, I'll always just include what the coupon code is. So in this case, we'll call it 10% off site-wide. Sometimes it might be like 10% site-wide for new customers. You know, whatever the code that's created is, I just include the details here. Then coming down, schedule dates, you'll always want to set a start and an end date. Even if it's a code set up for a partner with no end date, you'll want to set it up in here with an end date just so that you can at some point look at the results, see if it's worth for that partner to have a code. So, you know, normally if we're talking, we'll start the code, you know, let's call it today, January 31st. And then the one thing, you actually can't have the code start in the past, which is one thing about Impact Radius. So you do have to set the code up for the current time, which in this case it's 8:42, which would be 20 hours and 42 minutes. So we'll set that up. Honestly, I do just a minute ahead just in case it changes while doing this. And then let's say the code is set for, you know, forever. I would honestly just set the code up for the rest of the year. It just makes things easy, but most of the time you're going to have an end date on the code. So I'm just, for the sake of doing this, do July 31st. Then you click save and you are good to go. So a little bit more complicated. There's a couple different options here, but if you're doing a true exclusive code that doesn't require an affiliate click, you'll do always credit. Make sure the partner is selected, make sure the code is added, details, start date, and you're good to go. If you have any questions about this, please let me know.